Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here. So I was trying to play FIFA mobile but I'm getting this system message server busy 0x000003E8 and it says our stadium is at full capacity. Please try again later. I mean, what kind of an error is this one? Why it won't let you play why it says server is busy? Today in this video we have got all the latest information, all the latest updates. So let's get right into all the details. When the servers will be back up and running, what's really going on, when the error will be gone. Let's get right into all the details. Alright guys, so I headed over to the Twitter to see what's really going on with this FIFA mobile, and here's the thing guys, many people are reporting this same exact error. Here you can see I cannot able to play FIFA mobile. Server busy, our stadium is at full capacity, and this error is occurring in many region guys, and people are kind of worried because of the recent behavior of the FIFA mobile, their recent chaos. Check this out, this fellow is saying this is the worst game than before. FIFA mobile server busy. So there are tons and tons of people reporting this error, and this is kind of getting frustrating because you know what, this is happening each and every day. Every single day there is a new error in FIFA mobile. So what's really going on guys? Let me show you some latest update regarding from the developers and EA FIFA mobile update. So there are tons and tons of people reporting this same exact error. So this is kind of a just mind-boggling fact to me. So let's check it out, the FIFA mobile dev team update. Now here you can see guys, they have got pretty old update as of 2019-2020. So this account is not showing the latest update. Let's head over to the FIFA mobile EA FIFA mobile Twitter official page, and right over here we got update onto June 16th, and this is the update. Player items claimed from incorrectly set up UTOTS offer are not going to be removed. Users that did not claim offers will be going to receive the gifts in upcoming dates. On June 17th UTC, they will be going to receive one random 112 OVR TOTS player. On June 18th, they will be going to receive one random 114 OVR UTOTS player. In addition, every users will receive gift containing 1 million coin, 1000 gems, and 107 OVR player. As of right now, the FIFA mobile server is crashed as of right now, but don't worry about it. Many people are facing the same exact error. So once I get any latest details, I will keep you posted. So guys, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.